Hello everyone, if you'd like to find your USDT ERC20 address on Bybit, here's how to do it. So we're going to open our Bybit app, and right here in the home page, we're going to go down to the bottom right corner where we have assets, and we're going to tap on it. And after tapping on it, we have deposit. We're going to tap on deposit here. Of all these options, we're going to select deposit with crypto down here, and then we're going to select USDT. You could have it here in your search history depending on what you did before, or you could have it here in the recommendations, or you can swipe and scroll down to the bottom to look for you, and then finally you can search for it here in the search bar. We're just going to select the search history, of course, and then automatically you have to choose the chain or the network type you'd like to use. We're looking for ERC20, and right here at the top we have ERC20. So we're going to tap on it. And here we have the QR code and the alphanumeric address for our USDT in ERC20. All we need to do is to copy it using the copy icon in order to make no mistakes in copying this, and then there you have it. So this is how to find your USDT ERC20 address on Bybit.